Well, welcome to your second day of e-learning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to work on graphing ordered pairs. It is a small piece of dealing with coordinate planes, but it's a beginning. And this will be helpful for you on Thursday's assignment. The objective is you as a student will be able to plot an ordered pair on a grid called a coordinate plane in one of the four quadrants. In fact, you're going to probably have to graph them in all four. So an ordered pair. An ordered pair is a set of directions to get you to a specific point in a coordinate plane. An ordered pair is made up of an x and y coordinate. Here's your x coordinate, here's your y coordinate. Down here is an example, 5, 8, the ordered pair. This is your x coordinate right here, and this is your y coordinate. Now remember, you're going to need to plot on a grid called a coordinate plane this ordered pair. I'm going to demonstrate that to you as I go. Alright, so here is a coordinate plane, a grid, right here, this whole thing. And to graph an ordered pair, you always start right there, where 0, 0 is. That's called an origin, the beginning. The first number is your x-coordinate. Here's your x-axis right here. You always go on the x-axis first. This is your y-axis, and you go on that one second. Up and down. Move up and down second. It's a second number. All right? So like if I was moving 5, 8, I would go on the x-axis first. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Now you don't need to put a dot. I'm just demonstrating. And then you have a positive 8 for your y. So you're going to go up to positive 8 right there, and you put a dot there. All right? Okay. Hopefully that makes sense. If not, you ask questions by emailing us. All right? So I'm going to do these two ordered pairs right now on this quadrant. On this coordinate plane. So the first one is 3, 8. Now remember what I said. You always go x-axis first, y-axis second. So the very first one is your x, 8 is the y. So we're going to go over 3 to the right. So we're going to be over here, right there. Come on. Now don't put the dots on here like I'm doing it, kids. I'm just demonstrating so you don't forget. All right? And then we're going to go up to the top to 8. So you got to follow this line right here to the top to get to 8. That is where ordered pair 3, 8 is located. 3, 8. All right? And then the next one, negative 2, 9. Here's negative 2, 9, ladies and gentlemen. Negative 2. You're going to go to negative 2 right there. And it's a positive 9, so you're going to go all the way up. Now, I don't have 9 on this grid, but it would be up about right there. Maybe that's a little too high, but it's close. Negative 2, 9. That's the ordered pair, right there. All right? Let's keep moving. I don't want to take too much time. I yap too much the way it is. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. Next one. 3, negative 5. Remember? X-axis first, y-axis second. Never go up and down. Usually, now there is one situation, and I didn't demonstrate it here. All right, but that might be something you'll ask about later. So here we go. We're going to go 3, negative 5. So you're going to come over to the positive 3, but you notice this says negative 5. So we're going to go negative 5. We're going to go down, and that is where ordered pair 3, negative 5 is located. 3, negative 5. Don't forget, you got to put a comma in there as well. All right, this one, negative 2, negative 6. Both are negatives. So we're going to go negative 2, negative 6, which is right there. A little off. Sorry about that. Let's take that out. Let's do a better job. There you go. And so it is -2, -6. Now you can't be sloppy when you plot these, because you want to be right, you want to be precise, and you want to be exact. All right? If you have questions, ask. But before you move on, we need to also talk about what a quadrant is. Quadrant 1, quadrant 2, 3, 4. It goes counterclockwise like this. Now, quadrant 1 is where you have positive number for ordered pair. Quadrant 2 is where you have a negative, positive for an ordered pair. X is negative, Y is positive. Quadrant 3 is where you have a negative, negative. And quadrant 4 is where you have a positive X coordinate and a negative Y coordinate. All right? Now, I think in iLearn, you may be asked some questions about quadrants. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, I did it faster my second time through than I did it my first. Hey, I hope you have a, oops, I almost forgot. There's one other piece here. All right? Now, in order to get a level 4, like if you want a 4 for doing your e-learning assignment, this is where you start. All right? You need to score a SMART score of 100 in less than 22 seconds, or questions. 22 seconds, I don't think anybody's that fast. You need to complete 3 or more topics. You take a screenshot of each SMART score, and you hand it in on Canvas. All right? And I would advise you to hand all your screenshots in at one time on Canvas rather than multiple times. If you want a level 3, you need to do SMART score of 85 in less than 25 questions, complete 3 or more topics, take a screenshot of each SMART score, and then hand it in on Canvas. Remember, if you do 3 topics and you take 3 screenshots, you need to hand all 3 in at one time. All right? If you say, no, I'm not that ambitious today, I want to go level 2, which would be a little disappointing. Students score a SMART score of 75 in less than 25 questions. You complete 2 or more topics. You take a screenshot of each SMART score and you hand it on Canvas. Now, if you really aren't that ambitious, or it takes you a while to figure this out, you're at a level 1. Students will score a SMART score of 70 in less than 30 questions. You know what? It's very possible that we may change this. And if we do, I'll let you know. You complete 2 topics, you take a screenshot of each SMART score, and you hand it in on Canvas. Ladies and gentlemen, good luck.